Hey guys, okay, this is how you can antique a cabinet. First off, you're gonna need 3 rags. You're gonna need 1 for stain, 1 for mineral spirits. Mineral spirits is gonna be real key in this. And then 1 that's just kind of dry that you're gonna wipe things off with again. So there's like a 3-step process. So let's get some stain. Not too much. Okay, you need a little bit of mineral spirits on your rag. Make sure it's good and soaked pretty good because it's real important. Okay, so you take your rag with the stain. It needs to obviously be a darker stain than your base color. And you get it up in like the cracks and crevices and any kind of place that has texture. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on the frame, or the cabinet carcass basically. Okay, and then you take your mineral spirit rag and you're just gonna start wiping it down, get it nice and thoroughly wiped and kind of soaked. I'm just gonna wipe it all on and all over. Take your other rag that's nice and dry and clean. Of course you're getting it dirty, but a clean rag. And then you start wiping it off. And then you have a beautiful antiqued cabinet. And this specific cabinet is a media console, but you can do any cabinet with it. So up next for us is going to be doors. Just do the same thing, and it turns out looking really cool. We'll show you up next will be the end product of this whole cabinet. So cool, thanks, bye.